The 8 best drop shipping suppliers for 2021. Did you know that of all the drop shippers online, they say that 84% of the time the toughest part of their business was finding a drop shipping partner? That was the tough part, finding somebody to drop ship for them. And you got to figure 84% of millions and millions of sellers, well, that's saying something. In this video, I'm going to show you the best 8 ones that you want to work with so that you can make money and have a profitable business. If you haven't done so far, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I do a new video. Don't forget also give me a thumbs up if you like this video and put any comments below. All right, let's get right into this. Let's check out who these people are. Now I will tell you before I go through the list, and I've already gone through the top ones and I've already sorted this out for you, but you can get drop shipping lists and guides. You can just Google that and look, but it's gonna be a lot of work to try to weed through all that and figure out who's good and who's not. So in this video I'll just give you the top 8 ones and I'll save you all that time. The first one I want to tell you about, number 1, and this is not in order of how good they are, this is just a list of them. They're all good. Any of these people that you deal with, you will have a good experience with, but the first one is SALEHOO. SALEHOO. So let's check that out real quick. New Zealand-based SALEHOO was founded in 2005 and has served over 137,000 merchants since then. SALEHOO is a search directory that features more than 8,000 suppliers and gives you access to more than 2.5 million different types of products. Now the pros to it is difficult to find legitimate suppliers offering brand name companies, so SALEHOO actually verifies every supplier and guarantees that its products are legal and authentic. They also have exceptional customer service and a robust resources center. Now the cons to this is that SALEHOO is just a directory. Okay, they're not an integrated technology solution for your store. You cannot sync products directly from suppliers on their database. Furthermore, while the database has thousands of pre-vetted suppliers, it still needs to be refreshed and updated with new vendors all the time, and they're going to charge you about $67 a year to have access to it. The next one I want to tell you about is Worldwide Brands. This is a US based company and it was founded by Chris Malta, who was a super seller on eBay, and it's put together pretty darn nice. I think you'll like it. So let's go over there and check it out real quick. Okay, Worldwide Brands is one of the oldest incumbents in the space with over 20 years of experience since its founding. It's similar to SALEHOO. Worldwide Brands helps you find and learn about wholesalers and distributors from around the globe. Worldwide Brands boasts more than 16+ million certified products. And the pros are, one of the advantages of being a veteran of the industry is that you can build up an impressive menu of options. This is precisely what Worldwide Brands has done. The downside is suppliers on their platform will require that you have a tax ID before you do business. This can add friction when starting a new relationship through the platform. Beyond this, their customer service is limited. They do not offer live chat, and their email support takes almost 2 days to get back to you, and yet it's still at the top of my list because there's not that many good ones out there. The pricing starts at $299 a year. The next thing I want to do is talk about the best drop shipping automation platforms. Now when you're starting a new business, you're inundated with things to do, and if you can have an automation type platform to sell your product from, it helps a whole lot. So in this section I'm going to go through some of those. Let's go ahead and check out number 3 right now. Number 3 is INVENTORYSOURCE. So let's go over there and check it out and let's talk about it a little bit. INVENTORYSOURCE is a US based drop shipping provider that has been in business since 2002. INVENTORYSOURCE is both an inventory management tool and a catalog of suppliers with integrations to e-commerce platforms and online marketplaces. Their inventory management module manages price markup, low stock limits, custom categories, and product filters. Merchants can integrate their own existing suppliers as well as use the supplier directory. Their supplier directory includes product details, images, pricing, and current stock levels, and gives you access to 200+ suppliers across US and China. Their suppliers have extensive catalogs, with some containing tens of thousands of products. Overall, these products span 30 different categories. They include clothing, electronics, books, outdoor items, and pet supplies. Now the pros to this: INVENTORYSOURCE updates the product inventory and virtual storefront with the latest data from your suppliers. They also route orders to your suppliers and sync the shipment details with customers automatically. The cons are their starter plan only lets you connect with one supplier. That's not going to do you much good. If you intend to source from multiple suppliers, you'll need to pay additional monthly fees. The inventory automation starts at $99 a month, and the full automation starts at $150 a month. The next one is DSMTOOL, and DSMTOOL is actually a platform where you can integrate products to sell on eBay. So let's check it out real quick. It's designed to streamline your dropshipping business on eBay. Their tools allow you to add products to your eBay store from various vendors including Walmart, Sears, AliExpress, Amazon, US, UK, France, Germany, Canada, all those places. The pros are DSMTOOL allows over 50 listings for free subscribers and up to 150,000 listings for paid subscribers. Furthermore, beyond AliExpress, DSMTOOL connects you to other catalogs such as Walmart and Amazon. You can choose any of the suppliers and start selling immediately. The cons are DSMTOOL only has 50 dropshipping suppliers in its database, but they're the best ones. So it's kind of relatively limited compared to the competition, but they're good ones. Pricing is not bad. There's a free plan and paid plans ranging from $24.97 a month to $499.97 a month. So that's a big spread. Now the next thing I want to talk about is the best print on demand suppliers. These are really good because you can do your own branding, you can have your own designs, and you don't have to purchase inventory. So I want to get into those now, but they're saying that this industry by 2025 could grow to a $10 billion industry. So that's huge. So might as well take part in that. Let's check them out right now. The first one I want to tell you about is Printful. So let's go over to Printful and see what they do for you. Printful is an on-demand order fulfillment platform that fulfills and ships products including clothing, accessories, and lifestyle items for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Printful offers a variety of features including direct integrations, design and photo services, and fulfillment arms in both North America and Europe. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner who wants to start selling online, Printful can help you jumpstart your business immediately. Now the pros to Printful is that they're located both in the US and Europe, meaning delivery to customers is fast and localized. You will face no problems selling on a global audience. Printful ship times on average take about 3 to 4 business days, which is not bad. With Printful you can add your own brand logo to shipping labels and also create a packing slip. Plus it's easy to integrate Printful with e-commerce platforms that you currently are using. Cons, their product catalog focuses mostly on clothing. Likewise, shipping fees can add up, so you'll need to make sure that you incorporate that into your cost, but overall it's a really good site to use. There's no setup fees and no ongoing membership fees either. Now if you like that one, you're really gonna like this one. Number 6 is PRINTIFY. Let's check out PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is a drop shipping and print on demand service for small businesses. They provide custom printing solutions on a wide range of items including clothing, gift and novelty items, and accessories. The pros are PRINTIFY has a strategic partnership with multiple print providers around the world. These providers are located in major regions. Okay, they're in the UK, the USA, Canada, China, Germany, and Czech Republic. Printify has integrations with various e-commerce solutions including Etsy, eBay, Wix, Shopify. Beyond this, they offer a merchant protection policy that covers image quality control, reprints, and refunds. And that's the good part. The cons are, compared to Printful, they have fewer customization and branding options and integrations with fewer sales channels and third-party marketplaces. Pricing for those who are just starting out, they offer a free plan, so that's good. Printify also has a paid membership option starting at $29 a month. The next site I want to tell you about is CHINABRANDS.com. Let's run over there and check that one out. Here's CHINABRANDS.com. If you're interested in doing drop shipping products in China, you will find a vast assortment of items on China Brands, ranging from toys to electronics to apparel and even small accessories. China Brands offers direct access to hundreds of thousands of products, plus they regularly add new and exciting arrivals at very low prices. Number 8 is BIGBUY. Okay, let's check out BIGBUY. BIGBUY is primarily in Europe. They are headquartered in Spain, so let's go over and check them out real quick. It's really a B2B e-commerce platform that sells thousands of items to businesses of all kinds. It specializes in merchants who resell their products through the online channel. So that gives you the top 8 ones. Are there more out there? Most certainly. Are there more good ones out there? Most certainly. But you got to start somewhere, and you don't want to spend all your time trying to weed through thousands of places to do this and find that you get ripped off or products don't get delivered or it's a low quality. You can rest assured all the ones I gave you in this video are good and will get you started, and you don't have to have a lot of money to get started. I mean, on the very high end, if you were doing millions of dollars of business, one of these sites charges you $499 a month. So a lot of them are free. They don't cost you anything to get in there. You can start this business, you can do this, but you got to get started. Okay. And another thing you really have to do is you got to subscribe. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. I really appreciate you watching this video. As a reward, in the description below there's a course down there. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. No credit card required. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.